there's nothing we do. You smell that thing? Toothpaste?
I smell it. Oh,
It smells like
so.
It smells like toxic. And it's coming from the logo thing, whatever that is. Let's go check it out. Oh, this could be in here. Oh my god! It's toxic! It's toxic! It's toxic! Everybody, calm down.
Let me smell it. It smells like soap. It's right there. It got an eggy.
No, it got in my eye. Ew. Anyways, what's going on with the slime? What's going on?
Let's open this.
Damn, it's nasty.
Oh my god, it's leaking. Let me get up there.
We gotta go. Please help us. Donate us money so we can get rid of this in front of sewage. Please,
Come
please.
on. Oh, get it up, guys.
It's pretty slow, yo.
What's pretty?
It's gonna take like 13 hours to get here, this thing.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. And it's getting leak in over our doorway. And the doorway just disappeared.
It's going like an ice cream scroll.
Yeah, it kind of. Yeah, that does. I really want to try. Oh! I almost got stick.
No, that's soap. We might get clean.
I'm stuck.
We might get clean. That's soap.
How it's soap like this, man? It's slime. Go check it out.
It's made of soap. We put soap on it. The talk said that it got soap on it. Remember
I'm gonna fall down.
Who did that?
Okay. It's getting pretty bad. Oh, what is that? It's like from the garbage things. What is that?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna check.
It's pretty bad, right?
Yep.
We might get the clean crew. Oh, you got sticked, man. You got sticked, man. No, don't touch me.
It's gonna get stuck.
Maybe it doesn't talk to me because I have toxic yogurt. Good point. Alright, let's see if this thing good for you. Oh, it's pretty sticky, man. Oh!
It keeps falling the yucky mark.
Oh my god, it's because we don't have enough money.
Look in front of the yucky mark.
Holy shamoly!
It's getting outside.
I can't see.
We better call the police.
The police doesn't even work. It's only for emergency.
Well, let's call the toxic police.
Wait, no! I got an idea.
Who should we call?
Let the viewers call us because we hate our lives. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. And hope you donate money. We need to pay the sewer pipe. Bye!